Welcome to new tutorial, guys. In this tutorial we are going to discuss about sketch fillet and sketch chamfer. For that we are using this gauge. You can access those both options from this command manager, or you can go to tools and sketch tools and you can find it over here as well, or simply press S key on your keyboard and you can find over here as well. I go to first option, sketch fillet. When you select sketch fillet option, one property manager is coming left hand side of your window. So in fillet parameters we have three important options. One is for giving radius, and another is keep constraint corners, and third one is dimension each fillet. I am going to explain each of them one by one. This one is entity to fillet. We have to select by clicking over here. We have to select entities where we want radius or fillet. So for that, for now, I want 0.5 centimeter fillet, and I am checking this keep constraint corners option. So you can select fillet by two ways. Either you have to select both the edges that you want fillet like this, and you got the fillet, or you have to select vertex point, or you can select the point. You can see the point over here. You can simply select that point and you got fillet. So as I clicking yes, you can see as I check keep constraint corner option, they are keeping the corner over here for relations. I show you by checking the relation options. Simply say yes to fillet and go to hide and show option, simply relation. You can see they are keeping the relation over here, so they are showing the corners where actually the fillet is produced. So this corner is also keeping the relation. So if you don't want any relation with corners over here, then you can simply uncheck that keep constraint corner option. I show you. I'm just undo all the steps. Go to fillet option again and uncheck this keep constraint corner option. You see, when I select those edges, one box is popping here. It says the corner to be filled has geometry relation, which will be deleted if I created fill. So whatever the geometric relation with this corner is going to be deleted. I simply press yes and hitting yes. You see there is no corner relation are showing over here like it was shown previously. So here I have unchecked both the option. That's why here if I going to modify one radius, then let's make 0.75. so another radius over here is also going to change. So both the radius are depend on each other. If I modify one radius, another radius is also changed. You can see over here. If I don't want this dependability, then I simply check that dimension option in radius. I show you. Simply go to fillet again, check that dimension option, So whenever I am going to give that 0.50 centimeter fillet, over here they are independent. So if I change, if I going to modify one fillet, then other fillet is not going to change. They are keeping their dimension. You can see over here I change it this 0.75 and others are still they are 0.5. Now I'm going to explain chamfer command. Sketch chamfer. When you select sketch chamfer, it gives you two options: angle to angle distance and distance. I simply check first one. So whatever the distance you want to give or angle you want to give, you can write it over here. So when you select first edge, that is become your driven edge. So that distance and that angle apply to that edge, and another edge is become driver. So I simply show. So you can see 0.5 centimeter distance and 30-degree angle is applied to this point. If I want to apply on this edge, then simply select this edge first. Go to chamfer option and select this edge first, and then select another edge. You can see over here. Same thing is happen with distance to distance. Whatever distance you want to, you can give over here. I wanted another one, 0.75. So the first edge, whatever you selected, that becomes 0.50, and another edge that is becomes 0.75. So first edge and second edge, you can see 0.5 centimeter fillet and apply on this edge, and 0.75 apply on another edge. You can make it equal by clicking this option, and if I select vertex point, both the edges become same chamfer both the side. So that's all friends in fillet and chamfer option. We will see you in next tutorial. Thank you.